Today I'm going to teach you how to add AI effect to your TikTok live stream. I'm sure you've been seeing a whole lot of those effects on your TikTok live stream whenever you are having a live stream with someone, and effects like this will show up on your screen. That person changing into monster, something animated. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. By the end of this video, you're going to know how you can use this kind of AI effect to enhance your TikTok live stream, and people will be, wow, this is an example of what I'm talking about. Check out. I'm sure you've been seeing a lot of effects like this. Look at that person turning into chimpanzee. Wow, you love that. Let me show you another one.
¿Quieres aprender a hacer
Look at this
estos
one
videos
too.
viralísimos para ponerlos en tus live
like,
y que estés no solamente en
so
la
you can
tendencia,
actually,
sino que además la hagas a muy a tu
incorporate
estilo
this
para
kind
tu
of
comunidad?
effect in your home video as well. Look at this man. Look at him changing into lion. Wow, this kind of effect is going viral these days. I'm gonna show you how you can incorporate it into your own TikTok live stream, and you continue to get a lot of viewers in your viewers' eyes. Watch this video to the end, as I'll be taking you through how you are going to do this. But first thing first, you need to understand that you can actually do this kind of effect only on your desktop or your laptop. No such effect like this. So there's a special TikTok software that will allow you to do this, and the special software is what we call TikTok Live Studio. TikTok Live Studio is working like the OBS that allow you to do a lot of special effects for your TikTok live stream. Okay, let me take you down to my screen right now. I'm going to show you how you're going to download this to your laptop or your desktop. So let's move to Chrome right now. As you can see, you can search for TikTok Live Studio. That's the keyword, TikTok Live Studio. Live Studio. So this is it. Download Live Studio. So if you click on it to download, it will bring you to an interface like this. It says build the ultimate TikTok live experience. You're gonna love this by the time you start using it. So just scroll down to where you have the downloads. Let's allow all. Okay, so you just have to scroll down to where you have the TikTok download. Well, anyway, I've downloaded it on my already. Can you see the download? You click on the download button. Okay, to prompt you, are you going to download for Windows? If you are using Apple system, Mac Silicon and Mac Intel. So I'm downloading for Windows. When you click on it like this, it will continue to download, as you can see, onto your system. So what you do is just to install it like the normal way you are installing any software. Can you see the icon? Look at my cursor here. TikTok Live Studio is right here on my system. So let's click on it. So can you see, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your event, blah blah blah? Do you want to launch it? Then I'll definitely say yes. So that is after you might have downloaded the TikTok Live Studio on your system. So let's get down. Let it open first, then we'll take it from there. Now our TikTok Live Studio app is opening now. It's preparing your studio. Okay, it's preparing your studio. But if you're a first-time user, if this is the first time that you are launching the TikTok Live Studio, it will prompt you to log in your what do you call it, your TikTok username and password. So I've actually boycotted the process because I have the TikTok Live Studio already on my system. Okay, to allow it, just give TikTok Live Studio access to your TikTok username and password. That will bring you in automatically. Okay, Then when you launch the TikTok Live Studio, this is the interface that you'll be greeted with. So it's preparing your studio now for the most exciting and the most fun, live stream of your lifetime. It works seamlessly, just like when you have an OBS studio. You can do a whole lot of effect, animation and all that. But the essence of this is for us to, incorporate AI effects, just like I've shown, and like this. So it's loading up. Let's wait for it. So here we are. Now we have our TikTok live studio here. Say just one more live and you made it to the full. That is just like an advert, by the way. So you click on this go live. Okay, click on it right now. Like I said, you must have gained access through your TikTok login and password. Okay, now here we are. This is how your TikTok live studio interface will look like. Okay, this is how it will look like. Okay, now before you can incorporate any AI effects onto your TikTok live stream, you must have used a third-party software like Kling AI, all those AI software to generate a kind of simulation of yourself. One tip for you, if you want to create such animation, is that you need to, maybe the kind of clothes, the way that you want to use for your TikTok live stream, make it same as the effect that you want to use. Let me show you an example of the effect that I want to use. Yeah, let me take you down to where I've created my AI effects, okay, that I will use on this TikTok live. Okay, this is I will use. Okay, I've created this one already. Then we'll incorporate it later on into this tutorial. Okay, and you see I use AI to generate this kind of video. Okay, and there is another one that I will show you here. Let me scroll down to show you. So what I'm saying in essence, that you will have used an AI tool to generate the effect that you want to incorporate into your own live stream. Okay, then you can easily incorporate it into your, like this bunch of effect. Let me show you. I created it, seeming hanging out and a monster just shown up in my live stream studio. You see how I'm going to incorporate effects like this. Let me show you another one. This is another one. Okay, standing on a pond, and I open my window and that monster just shown up in my studio. I'm sure you will have seen such. This kind of effect will enhance your live stream experience. We give you a lot of viewers. Effects like this. You must have created effects like this. So now we have so many function features that you have on this TikTok live, but the one that is more paramount to us is how we can incorporate the effect that we've created, how we can incorporate it here on our TikTok live. So you see the camera source. This camera source is the source that we show your very self, and for us to incorporate other the AI effect, we have to add scene. As you can see here, if you click on it, you click on add scene, it will allow you to create a scene transition for that kind of effect. This is how it will present itself. Okay, all you need to choose, the blank one. That is where we'll key AI effect that we've created already. Okay, and we'll just click on add. Okay, then now you can name your scene as, maybe let's say, effect 1. Okay, let's name this in effect 1. Click on it like this. Okay, then here you click on more. Okay, and click on more. Click on the video, then you select the file of that animation. Okay, now let me go to download. Let me pick one of those effects. Okay, let me pick this one. Then you click on open. As you can see, if we play it, you will see the effects that we've generated. So in essence, we are incorporating this AI effect into our live stream. Then you click on loop so that it will continue to loop. Then you click on add source. Okay. Imagine you are on the TikTok live stream and you know so before I forget, let's assign the key and make it easy. Just go to your settings. Okay? Just go to your settings. Then we can assign a hotkey. Let's go to the settings. Okay. So this is basically how you can incorporate AI animation in TikTok live stream, and you know a whole lot of people will be trooping here, asking, how do you incorporate this? And one thing is that you need to match, you know, your live stream with this AI. You might just say, guys, I'll see you. Just find this video helpful. You know, hit the like button and turn on your notifications so that you continue to enjoy amazing tutorial like this. I'll see you on the video.